Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious enchiladas using El Pato sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a dozen corn tortillas, 1 large can of El Pato tomato sauce, and about 1 pound of cooked, shredded chicken. Don't forget your favorite shredded cheese, perhaps 2 cups, and some oil for frying. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our flavorful filling. If you're using chicken, shred it finely. Combine the shredded chicken with about 1/4 of your shredded cheese. To add moisture and flavor, stir in a few tablespoons of the El Pato sauce directly into the mixture. Season this blend with a dash of salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin to enhance the taste. This ensures every bite is packed with deliciousness. Next, we'll assemble our enchiladas. Lightly warm your corn tortillas in a little hot oil for a few seconds on each side, or microwave them briefly to make them pliable. Dip each softened tortilla completely into the El Pato sauce. Place a generous spoonful of your prepared filling down the center. Carefully roll the tortilla tightly and arrange it seam side down in your 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Repeat until all tortillas are used. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your enchiladas. Pour any remaining El Pato sauce evenly over the rolled enchiladas in the dish. Then, generously sprinkle the rest of your shredded cheese over the top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Let them rest for 5 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.